Looking for an easy way to launch new products and services or boost conversions from the ones you're already selling? Then let me introduce you to SamCart. With SamCart, you get an entire library of pre-designed product pages, sales pages, and checkout page templates that are built to sell any type of product or service. You can sell digital products like online courses or services like consulting and coaching packages. Plus, you can get paid however you'd like. Charge one-time payments, recurring subscriptions, payment plans, free trials, paid trials, or even offer pay what you want pricing where your customers can decide what they want to pay. Once your page is ready, you get a simple URL to share with any potential client or customer where they can pay you right then and there from the very same page. You'll be able to see your sales in a live streaming dashboard. You'll finally know where your sales are coming from, and managing your business will become easier than it has ever been before. SamCart seamlessly works with all the tools you're already using, which means you can automatically deliver digital products, add someone to your course, trigger a new shipment from your fulfillment center, or start the process of fulfilling on your service. Plus, you can automate dozens of tasks that take up time every single day, like adding customers to your email list, firing conversion pixels, adding tags inside of your CRM, and updating customer records inside of your customer support platform. Whether you're marketing your business with social media, running paid ads on Facebook or YouTube, building an audience with a blog, running webinars, or driving traffic through a marketing funnel, inserting SamCart into the process will boost your conversions, maximize your sales, and make running your business easy. And we're so confident that this works, SamCart is backed by our Conversion Boost Guarantee, which means if it doesn't increase your sales, you don't pay for it. It's completely free to try out, and we'll even help you make the move. So take it for a test drive and see for yourself why thousands of people have already made the switch to running their sales through SamCart.